Guys, and welcome to it. Today we are doing round number 5. It is Bayern Munich versus Madrid White, and Madrid are looking to go to winning ways because they have not been they have not been the best. They have really not been the best. So let's see if they can win this one to at least make something out of it. Just try to pull something off. And it's Antonio Rudiger who played to Eden Militao. Rudiger will play it, but no one is there. That hits that post. Look at the shot. Going, hit the ball. Oh, Mbappe can't get there. Beautiful tackle there from Rudiger, but it's gone deflected. And beautiful save from Thibaut Courtois. Headers in, but no, nothing is there. He's gone it. Oh, he's gone through. Mbappe through on goal. Trying to come here. Thibaut Courtois with another beautiful stop. A tackle there, and it's yellow card for Antonio Rudiger, the captain. It's Mbappe through, looking for his first goal. Can't get the shot off. Oracula, no! Oh, tackle horrible. Eden Militao gets a yellow. Another yellow card here for Real Madrid. Yellow card. Oh, Bellingham. Oh no, it's a tackle. And it's an injury for Jude Bellingham. It's a knee injury there, it looks like, for Jude Bellingham. Valverde, come on here. Half time it is. Yeah, 0-0. Real Madrid playing the better game of Bayern Munich. Yeah. And here's the second half. Chomini. Oh, he tackles his own teammate. And it's just gone wide there. Oh, he passes him and can't get there. Antonio Rudiger. Rudiger getting a bit stepped over. And it's a chance here. It's a good save again from Thibaut Courtois. Oh, Militao, what is he doing? Militao has done something horrible. That might have just sold him the match here. And it's a chance here. It is Valverde. So Valverde! Federico Valverde is in! He equalises of Eder Militao's mistake. Chomini now. Chomini. Valverde. So Valverde gives the pass away to Vinicius Junior. It's Mbappe scores! He finally scores! Kylian Mbappe scores! And it's from a banger from the outside. Top pins it is. Historical moment for Mbappe. Now they have to just keep it there. It's Mackay now on the ball. It's cleared away. But it's also Arda Güler on the ball. Arda Güler. Oops, my bad. And Steckel. Oh no! Equalizer. He's Dummy Bex. He's his second. It's over. Mbappe scoring first. Poloskeroy equalising. It's another loss. It's another loss for them.